Imagine you've just sent money to a loved one overseas using Paysend. You're excited to know that your funds have arrived safely, but the tracking process can be a bit confusing. Have you ever wondered how to track your Paysend transaction? If so, you're not alone. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to check the status of your Paysend transfer. Let's dive in and discover how to track your Paysend transaction with ease. Understanding Paysend tracking. Paysend offers a convenient online tracking system that allows you to monitor the progress of your transaction from start to finish. This system is designed to provide you with real-time updates, ensuring you're always informed about the status of your funds. Tracking your transaction, step-by-step guide. Log into your Paysend account. The first step is to access your Paysend account using your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find a dashboard that displays your transaction history. Find your transaction. Locate the specific transaction you want to track. You can filter your search by date, recipient, or amount to quickly find the desired transaction. Check the transaction status. Click on the transaction to view its details. The status of your transaction will be clearly indicated. Here are some common statuses you might encounter. Pending, the transaction is being processed. In progress, the funds are being transferred. Completed, the funds have been successfully delivered. Failed, there was an issue with the transaction. View transaction details. In addition to the status, you can also view other important details about your transaction, such as the transaction ID, recipient information, and the amount sent. Additional tracking tips. Receive notifications. Paysend often provides email or SMS notifications to keep you updated on the status of your transaction. Ensure your contact information is accurate to receive these alerts. Contact customer support. If you have any concerns or encounter difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Paysend's customer support team. They are available to assist you and provide further information. Understand potential delays. While Paysend strives to process transactions quickly, there may be occasional delays due to factors such as bank holidays, technical issues, or regulatory requirements. Common tracking issues and solutions. Transaction not found. If you cannot find your transaction in your history, double-check the transaction ID or contact Paysend customer support for assistance. Delayed delivery. If your funds are taking longer than expected to arrive, check if there are any bank holidays or technical issues affecting the transfer. Failed transaction. If your transaction fails, review the reason for the failure and take appropriate steps to resolve the issue. Tracking your Paysend transaction is a simple process that provides you with peace of mind. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily monitor the progress of your transfer and stay informed about the status of your funds. With Paysend's reliable tracking system, you can have confidence that your money is being transferred securely and efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on using Paysend.